All right, all right. This is March 8th, 2021. I'm going to be looking to go over my March 5th trades and today's trades. I actually just want to take a look what I did trade on March 5th. March 5th was a brutal day for me. That was on Friday. I traded five tickers. It was I'll go over my winners first. METX, I traded this at the open because of hitting a pre-market resistance, and then I eventually, I believe I traded at the open and then sold off here. Not too, I think, decent profit, but I believe I could have traded it better. ETX SLGG. Same story here on Friday. I traded it. I entered here at 749 here because I had to order 200 shares here, and then basically rode it until this price, and then I exit out from here. Fortunately, I didn't leave a portion of shares to ride the wave down to these portions, but that's okay. Traded my plan, WTRH. This was on Friday as well, same plan. I believe I entered at pre-market and then rode here, and then took a break-even trade and then re-entered here and rode it to about this level. And then my brutal trades that I did was on eyes. So on Friday, actually, this is where I basically blew up a huge portion of my account, basically 75% of my account I blew off. That was just stupid of me. I know my mistakes were just chasing into the stock, being oversized into the move, and essentially trying to catch the top, not looking at the big picture as well. Just a combination of things. I could have been up on the stock, but I believe it was here where I could have turned it into a profit, but then I was oversized, and I thought it would go down further to the $4 mark. It just shows you that if you are profitable in a trade, you should take portions off to reduce your risk, and essentially not be greedy into the stock. Very disappointed on how I traded on Friday. It could have been a green day and continued my winning streak, but I just got up in this hell of a mess on these trades on Friday. Shouldn't have happened. Yeah, I was just very disappointed in my trading decisions here. Definitely could have been better, but what can you do? You just have to move on to the next have that next mentality mindset where you just look for the next opportunity. I also traded ears. I traded ears and eyes on Friday. Ears was because this was in sympathy play with eyes. I think obviously it's in sympathy because of their names. Eyes and ears, they're the body parts of the human body. But yeah, here I got chopped up too. I was in a basically gambling attitude on Friday, which was just terrible. yeah, coming into Monday, I reset it and I looked for the next opportunity. I traded these stocks. I traded ANCN, eyes again, and OPGN. ANCN, I entered around in this downward move. I saw that it broke this level, that's why I entered it. And wrote it down till open, recognized some profit there, and then exited here for break even. And then re-entered here and sold some. I think I covered here for a break even as well. And then I entered here, and then I got stopped out because I actually hit my daily max loss. Oh, also one thing is heading into Monday, actually set a daily max loss to ensure that I don't do anything stupid like I did on Friday. Next trade I did was on eyes. Eyes, I believe the psychology on this, I thought these long holders, I believe that they were going to essentially exit out at the pre-market open. I was sort of correct, but I didn't want to chase into this frontside move like I did on Friday. Entered very small shares on this because of the price fluctuations, and then it halted up here with an upside move. In this downward move, I believe I entered very small shares and took some. It actually halted going on the downside. I thought it would flush down, but actually it didn't move that much. It only moved, let's see, maybe like 50 cents. And then played in this level, became a bit choppy. Essentially, I got chopped up again, like I did on Friday. And this is where I hit my daily max loss as well. This got activated. Yeah, and next is OPGN. OPGN. I traded this because it hit pre-market resistance. Showed some levels on here. Dropped down. I think I entered here. Then did have pre-market looking for a drop down at the open. It didn't happen. Actually rose up. I exited out. Then re-entered, I believe, around these levels, and then covered half for a profit and then half break even. And then I re-entered here, and then I just, I believe I just covered because I saw it break $3 and I kept on fluctuating that level, and the bids and ask were playing around that level, and there was lots of volume, and I didn't want to touch it. That's how I traded these tickers on Monday, March 8th, 2021. Hope you guys like this video, and we'll get it tomorrow.